So guys, today I received this Amazon parcel that I ordered. It cost around $40. This is a countertop blender from the Geniza brand. I am really excited to unbox it. Let's open it together and see what's inside. Let's open the package. As you can see, this is how it looks from the inside. The blender is packed nicely and everything looks neat and secure. Now I am taking everything out of the box. Let's see what comes with the Geniza countertop blender. I am really excited to check all the parts and see how it looks. That's everything inside the box. This is the Geniza countertop blender that I ordered from Amazon. I can't wait to see it and share my experience with you. Now let's open it. As you can see, I am using scissors to carefully cut the package open. Here you can also see the packing list that come inside the box. We have finally opened it. Everything is packed so neatly and securely. It looks really nice and well organized inside. The packing is clean and all the items are arranged perfectly. As you can see, here are all the instructions that come with the blender. You can clearly see the instruction. Now let's open everything and take a look at what's inside. The first part we have is the lid for the blender cup. It also comes with two blender cups, one with a handle and one without a handle. These cups are perfect for making smoothies, milkshakes, protein shakes and other blender drinks. Once your drink is ready, you can use these cups to pour, carry, enjoy it easily. Next we have these sealing rings. They help prevent leaks and keep the blender tightly sealed. Now this is the main blender cup with the blade attached at the bottom. This is where you make smoothies, milkshakes, juices and protein shake. As you can see, the sharp blenders are already installed underneath for smooth blending. As you can see, this is the main blender base. I ordered it in silver because I really like this color. It was also available in other colors, but I decided to go with the silver one. It also comes with two travel cup lids. As I am showing you, you can easily close your smoothies or shake with these lids and take it with you anywhere. As you can see, I am closing the cup with the lid and it fits perfectly. It looks really nice and secure. The cups are made of high quality durable plastic and feel strong and well made. Now let's remove the plastic wrapping from the blender together. As you can see, I have removed all the packing. Here is the small grinding cup, which is perfect for grinding spices, coffee beans or dry ingredients. It also has its own blender attachment, blade attachment at the bottom. These are all the blender that come in the box. That's it for today's unboxing. I hope you like this Geniza blender. The buying link is in the comments below. See you in the next vlog. Allah Hafiz.